Alright, today we're going to be doing a zesty pasta salad, and for the pasta salad you're going to need whatever favorite pasta you want to use. Today I'm using tricolor rotini. You'll also need an onion, bell peppers, and I'm using green and orange, yellow, and red. You'll also need tomatoes, cheese, zesty Italian sauce, and broccoli florets. And you can also add a meat of your choice to it if you want. It's not necessary. I will be, however, adding some chicken. And the chicken I'm going to be using is the carved chicken breast, southwestern style, and I'm gonna cut them up into small pieces and put it in the salad. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything prepped, wash the vegetables and everything, cut them up, and you use whatever amount that you want to use in it. There's no set amount for this pasta. I'm going to be using this one box, so the ingredients is going to be based off of how much pasta you have and how much you want to eat and how much you like of a particular thing in the taste of it. And I'll be back once everything is chopped up. I have salted water boiling for the pasta to go in, and I'll be back. Alright, so our pasta is finished boiling. I'm going to take it over to the sink, pour it out in the colander, and run some cold water to let it cool. Once it's cool, I'm going to mix everything up. Alright, so everything's all chopped up. I have my tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, cauliflower, and broccoli florets. I have my chopped up chicken, cut the cheese into cubes, and my cooled off pasta. And only thing left to do is put everything in a bowl, add the Italian dressing, and mix it all up. So I'm adding the pasta and the chicken, and I'm going to add the cheese last, but I want to add the Italian dressing and get this all mixed up. You want to make sure and shake it up so everything's all incorporated, and then you pour it in there. And I do a little bit just so that it's not saturated. You just want to put enough to coat everything that's in there. And like I said, you just mix it all up. Alright, and look how pretty that looks. Normally use just one bottle is enough. And then now I'm going to add the cheese, and I use two types of cheddar cheese. I use the yellow and the white. And then you just mix it all up. And that's it. It's done. It's ready to eat. Store it in the refrigerator. This will last a couple of days in my house. Not really, like, I'm talking about like 2 or 3 days. Alright, and there it is.